Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Pipedrive email templates and personalization step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Pipedrive website. Log into your Pipedrive account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the email section in the main menu. Click on the email tab to access your email settings. In the email settings, locate the templates option. Click on templates to open the email templates page. Here, you will find existing templates and the option to create new ones. To create a new template, click on the Create Template button. A text editor will appear for you to start crafting your email template. Give your template a descriptive name for easy identification. Begin composing your email by entering a subject line. Use the body section to write your message. Personalization tags can be added to make your emails more engaging. To add a personalization tag, click on the Insert Personalization drop-down menu. Select the desired tag from the list, such as recipient name or company name. Position the tag within your message where you want it to appear. Continue editing your email until you are satisfied with the content. You can use formatting options to enhance the appearance of your template. Once you are finished, click the Save button to store your new template. To test the template, you can choose to send a test email. Select a contact from your list to send the test template. Review the test email for any adjustments you might need to make. If everything looks good, return to the templates page. Your new template will now be available for use in your email communications. Whenever you want to use the template, go back to the email section. Choose the template you created from your list of available templates. Now you can easily send personalized emails to your contacts using your new template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.